Hello friends, and welcome back to the tutorial of Python for the beginners. In this video we are going to learn that what are the types of operators that are available in Python to perform some operations according to your code. So let's just see what are the types of operators in Python. So I have already this file in which I have written all the types of operators that are available in Python according to your program. Generally, there are seven types of operators available in Python. The first one is the arithmetic, second comparison, third assignment, fourth bitwise, fifth logical, sixth membership, and the last is identity operators. Now, let's just discuss each of it, that how it works and how can we use it in a program. So the first one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators is generally used for the calculation part. Like we want to perform some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so more. So in that case, we are going to use this type of operator, which is arithmetic type of operators. And in some examples in a previous video, we have already used this type of operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, power, floor division, and the modulus part. So I think we already know about these operators. So I should move on with the comparison operator. So let's just start with the second one, the comparison operator. So in comparison operator, we are having some operators. The first one is equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to, greater than, less than, and not equals to. So how does it works? Generally, when we are checking for two conditions, whether that condition satisfies or not, means I want to check whether 2 is equals to 2 or not. I know that 2 is equals to 2, but if I use this double equals to operator, in that case, it will tell me whether my condition is true or not. So it will return me some value like true, because my condition is true and it is satisfying that both the values are equal. So in that case it will return true. But in case I'm writing 2 equals to 3, in that case it will return false. I know 2 is not equals to 3, so in that case it will return me some expression like false. So in this way our comparison operator works. So this was about the double equals to operator. Similarly, we are having greater than equals to. So in that case, it will check whether my condition is greater than and equals to this condition or not. If it is true, then it will return false. Similarly, we are having this other operators like less than equals to, greater than, less than, and not equals to. So in this way, a comparison operator works and returns some value. Similarly, we are having the third operators, which is the assignment operator. This type of operator is used to assign some value to some variable or to some other function. So like I want to assign some value a 2 value. So I will write a equals to 2. It means I'm assigning some value in my variable. So in this way, I can write this and I can use this equals to operator. Similarly, I'm having some different operators. This plus equals to means like I'm writing a plus equals to 2. So this means a is equals to a plus of 2. So these both values are the same. So it doesn't make any difference. Either you write this or you write this. Both are same. So this is other type of assignment operators and we can use it in our program. Similarly, we are having this minus equals to, divide equals to, multiply equals to, double multiply equals to means the power, and the floor division equals to, and percent equals to. So these are the assignment operators. And the next is the bitwise operator. Bitwise operators are generally used when we are having some binary values. Binary values means like 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, like this. So if we are having this type of value, in that case we will be using this type of operator so that we can compare with these values and return some output. The first one is the ANDing operation. ANDing operation means it will return me some value if both the condition are true. It will return me 1. Like I am having 1 in first condition, 1 in second condition. In that case, it will return me 1. But if I am having 1 and 0, in that case, it will return me 0. So in this way, my AND operation works. Similarly, this is the OR operation. OR means either this value or this value. If any of the value will be true, then my output will be true. So this is the XOR operation. Complement means if I am having 1 as my input, so my output will be 0. So this works like that. So this is the bit shifting. So this will shift my bit on the left side and this will shift on my right side. So this was about the bitwise operation. And the next is the logical operation. The logical operations are used in the same way, but not for the binary values, for some different values like the decimal value, octal value, hexadecimal value, any type of value. In that case, we will use this type of logical operators. The first one is AND operation, second is OR and NOT. The function is same, just the thing is we are using this bitwise in the binary values and this in the decimal or other types of values. The next one is the membership operators. Generally, there are two types of membership operators. The first one is in and the second is not in. This is generally used when I am checking that, let's see it with some example. Like I want to check that A is in the string ASDF, something like that. So if I want to check whether this value is present in this string, so in that case I can check this and it will return me some boolean expression like the true or false. Similarly, if I want to check whether this is not in this, then it will returns false because it is checking for that it is not in this but it is actually inside this string, so it will returns me false. So in this way my membership operator works. And the last one is the identity operators. There are two types of identity operators. First is and the second is not is. This is generally used to check the current state of your function. Means I want to check whether this condition is satisfied or not. Let's understand it with some example. Like I want to check this. F is my file. I want to check whether this file is closed or not. So I will type is closed and it will return true if my file is being closed. But if my file is not closed, it will returns me as false. So this identity operators works in this way. Similarly, we can use it with is not closed. So in that case, I can check it. So this was all about the types of operators that are available in Python. I hope you have liked this video, and if you like this video, so click on the like button, and if you have any queries regarding the topic, so please leave a comment below so that I can resolve your problem and make you understand better. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my videos. And thanks for watching this video.